I'll be taking you through this process of creating a sleek, natural look for this beautiful lady, my client today, using an Afro Kinky weave. So we're going to be using the traditional sewing method, and but with a twist to achieve a smooth, relaxed finish. Stay tuned and watch the end.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share another fabulous hair transformation with you today. We are working with an Afro Kinky weave to create a sleek, natural look that perfectly blends with my client's own hair. So before we get into the styling, I always like to start my session with a relaxing hair massage. This not only helps to stimulate the scalp and promote healthy hair growth, but also sets a calming tone for the appointment. It's a great way to ensure my clients feel pampered and relaxed before we begin. Once we've enjoyed that moment of relaxation, I moved on to preparing our hair. So I carefully braid it down to create a solid foundation for the sew-in. This step is crucial for ensuring that the weave lays flat against the scalp and provides a seamless look. So I made sure the braids are tight enough to hold the weave securely, but not so tight that they cause discomfort. So I weaved the hair twice round so that when it comes to the middle part, I had to make a cornrow like straight down instead of weaving it more round, because you know where it looks like when you braid someone's hair and it looks as if the flesh is kind of puffy or swollen. That is what I was avoiding here. So that's why I weaved the hair round twice. Then I started doing the cornrows all back from the middle in order to avoid that kind of bump in her head. Now that we're done weaving the hair, I had to sew down the remaining hair down into a braided hair so that it will not be sticking out. So I went ahead to apply my hair growth oil, which I made myself. I apply it on a scalp to help the scalp relax, nourish and moisturize. Now let's get into the heart of the process, which is the traditional sewing method. I take small section of the Afro Kinky hair and begin sewing them into the braids, working row by row for this style. My client specifically requested a smoother finish rather than the typical full voluminous look that comes with the Afro Kinky. So to achieve that, I focus on a controlled installation, carefully aligning each section to blend with a natural texture. So the goal here is to create a cohesive look that appears as if it is all her hair. Once the sewing is complete, we move on to the next step, flat ironing the hair. I use a high quality flat iron and set it to the appropriate temperature for the hair type. This step is essential for softening the texture of the Afro Kinky hair, allowing it to blend seamlessly with our own hair. So as a flat iron, I make sure to work in small sections to achieve the best results. So moving slowly to ensure that the hair gets the right amount of heat without being damaged. So here I applied some heat protectant and then silk infusion so that I'll be able to, I use it to massage her hair all around her hair to be precise, then flat iron the hair. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so to stay updated on all my latest tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget to share to your loved ones and friends. My clients always love the mirrors. Anyway, this style has just the right amount of fullness, not too heavy, but enough to look soft and natural. I love how the texture has been transformed into a sleek, elegant finish while still showcasing the African Afro Kinky weave. So this hairstyle is perfect for any occasion, whether it is a casual day out or a special event. It is an easy look to maintain, so I can't wait for my client to enjoy this. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it inspires you to explore the world of Afro Kinky waves and show you how to achieve a beautiful natural look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all my latest tutorials and tips. Thank you. Bye.